Hello everyone, this is Sissi from ORIEMAC. We are a company with more than 12 years experience. We have machine ready to ship in Shanghai Port. Let's go! We are in Shanghai Port warehouse. As usual, I will introduce you one machine. Today is 4 forklifts ordered by our Zambia clients. Now come along with me to see them. Here are the 4 forklifts and the model is CPCD30. From the model you can know its loading capacity. 30 means it's 3 tons loading capacity. Next, let's see the important part, mast. It's 2-stage mast. The max fork height is 3.5 meters and the length is 2.3 meters, which allows this forklift to enter the container. From here, as you can see, the mast design provides wide view for the operator whenever unloading or picking up goods. When it comes to safety and comfort, you must pay attention to the operator compartments. The overhead guard is strong enough to protect operator from falling objects, and the seat is adjustable. Also, you can adjust the steering wheel. The control levers are right within your reach. Time to say goodbye. If you are interested in forklifts or other machines, please contact me, Sissi. I'm here waiting you.